Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fog light on a Honda Pilot. Before you begin, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and your new fog light bulb. Safety is paramount, so make sure your vehicle is completely off and has had time to cool down. This ensures there are no electrical hazards or hot components to worry about during the process. We'll start by locating the fog light assembly on the front bumper. Now, let's get access to that fog light. First, turn your steering wheel fully to the side where you'll be working. This gives you more room. Next, you'll need to remove a few Phillips head screws securing the fender liner. There are typically about 3 to 5 screws. Once those are out, gently pull back the fender liner to reveal the fog light assembly behind the bumper. Take your time here to avoid damaging the liner. With the assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. It usually has a small tab you press. Then, rotate the old bulb about 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Now, insert your new bulb, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Remember, avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Almost done. Now, reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed fog light bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Carefully push the fender liner back into its original position and reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are snug, but do not over-tighten them. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test the new fog light to confirm it's working properly. If both fog lights need replacing, simply repeat these steps for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.